Static electricity is detrimental to many processes. It can attract contamination, cause shocks to operators, and create sparks that could start fires or damage sensitive electronic components. It can be created when insulative materials come into contact with each other, when they're cut, or when plastics are moulded. Electric fields and radiation such as UV light can also cause static electricity. Here we're looking at short-range AC static eliminators. These highly effective non-contact devices are easy to install and highly versatile. They're ideal for applications where the ionizing device can be positioned at a close, uniform distance from the material to be neutralized, typically within 100 or 150 millimeters, depending on the device. They're most effective within 50 millimeters. They are powered by one of the range of Fraser HP model power supplies via a screened HV cable. HP power supplies are available with 2 or 4 connection ports. The HP power unit supplies high voltage to the bar's emitter pin in a safe and controlled way, creating an electric field that ionizes the air into positive and negative ions. These ions are attracted to charges of the opposite polarity to neutralize static electricity. There are 4 models of Fraser AC ionizing bars: the 1100, 1100S, 1250, 1250S. S denotes slot. S models are easily installed using the supplied fixing studs. These slide in slots at the base of the body. Non-S models have fixed position studs mounted on the bar's body. All live parts are fully encapsulated in resin for protection, reliability and shock resistance. The compact 1100 bar is available in single lengths from 60mm to 3 meters, and the 1250 from 60mm to 6 meters. UL, ATEX and Air Assist versions are also available on selected models. Short-range AC eliminators are suited to digital print, paper handling, packaging, labeling, coding and printing. To find the ideal product for your needs, simply contact the sales team.